Good morning. My name's Andy Taylor and I'm Senior Vice President of Sales for Sotheby's International Realty Canada. I'm a founding member of our office here in Toronto, and I want to thank you for being part of this global marketing team. Tasha, Mardanza Farms is truly an iconic estate in Ocala. I want to tell you that our team here in Toronto has close ties to the equestrian community in Caledon, King City, and Aurora. We have members that are ingrained in the racing community, in the jumping community, and dressage. Jody, Dana, Kaylin are a great team of experts for equestrian properties. We will put together a marketing plan and actively market into the Canadian marketplace for this iconic listing. Again, I want to thank you for the opportunity to be a part of this global marketing team, and I look forward to visiting the property soon. Have a great day.